Who exactly am I? Hi, I'm Kyla. Kyla Habana Lumabi, but you call me Kyle or Kai. I was born on September 20, 2009, which makes me curious. I'm 16 years old, and I'm from Catanduanes. I have always been interested in arts, many forms of arts. I love to draw and paint, which is my bedroom in my hometown look like this. I love to film and document my life. It allowed me to capture and preserve memories, and it also allowed me to reflect on my personal growth and achievements. I also love exploring a lot of habits like cooking. I love dancing. And also, my favorite music is a gift by John Robert.
Magsisilbing lakas mo tuwing nanghihina ka.
My favorite food is pizza. Guys, I just wake up this morning at 6:30 a.m. I'm still not feeling well, and I haven't washing my face yet, so let's think about it.
Pag-ibig mo ay tangi kong hiling, parang isang pagsusulit na bawat magburawan sa itapat walang pag-isipang mabuti.
I did was make coffee, and after I finished it, making coffee, I already cleaning up a lot so that after I finish with cleaning, I also grabbed a wipe because I was about to take a shower. After I finish it to shower, so I get dressed.
Kahit tagal din na, ito'y kinikimkim. Kung sasabihin yun ba ay di rin